Today, we are a crew of 11, taking on one big mountain with multiple obstacles that we'd all have to overcome. This wasn't your average trail ride. This is the Jarvis Training Loop. Multiple steep climbs, crazy descents, and treacherous rock gardens were going to test us both mentally just as much as the physical toll we were all going to experience on that day. This ride wasn't for the faint of heart. Once you drop in, there was no going back. Our crew was ready to suffer, with no easy outs, just us, our bikes, and endless mountain peaks and valleys. Did we bite off more than we could chew? Maybe. But the best adventures don't come easy. So watch as 11 of us take on this ride with one big mission. Complete the loop, survive the mountain, and make it back in one piece.